Hey, Ma!
I have a piece of cardboard that I've measured 9 by 11.5 inches. And the face we're going to make out of this corrugated paper, which is, color is this? Beige. I'm going to flip it over. And I've painted the face of a happy leprechaun. I'm going to glue gun to this face to the cardboard to give it some strength and stability. Next, I cut out from some wool that was brought at Walmart. Got it at a discount. Usually it's $4.47, but I paid $2.50 for this whole scheme. And I bought it because it's curly, which leprechaun's hair usually is curly. So cut out 4 pieces, 2 for around the ear, and then 2 for the eyebrow. And even though I colored it in with orange markers, I want to make it look realistic. So I'm going to glue gun this for his features. I'll make a small dot, not too much, on each point of the eyebrow. I usually use the tip of a pencil because I'm using a hot glue gun and burn myself all the time. My next step is that I've cut the length of his face, and we're going to frame the face for his beard. So I'm going to twist it so it'll stay together. Just frame the face so you can get an idea where you want to put this. And do one more dab here to hold it in place. And that's the face. We can now work on the frame. And the frame is a broom with gold and green velvet, a gold and green velvet bow that was made for Christmas. So we're repurposing it with this new project. I'm going to spruce these ends up a little bit because I want to have a sharp edge. And cut this side. Do the same thing with the bow. The beauty of the bow is that it's got the wire built into it. So even if it becomes crunched, you can always spruce it back up by twisting it back into shape, which we are doing at the moment. Cut on an angle. This leprechaun is going to have a hat, and this was bought at Dollar Tree. So we're going to cut this off. And I want to use this as a holder, this little piece. And this is going to be his top hat. This will be the face. And that's the idea. So let me show you how we're going to attach these pieces. I didn't want to leave this ribbon that this hat has on it because it's not in my color scheme, which is green and gold. So I'm taking it off, and since it's a nice ribbon, I'm sure there's going to be a project down the line I'll probably be able to use it with, so it won't go to waste. Another item that was bought, or 2 items, were this package of shamrock or 4-leaf clovers, 4 and 3-leaf clovers, and the color scheme is gold and green, and it's also brought from Dollar Tree. And then I also saw this headband which has these tendrils, or what I'm going to use is tendrils.
Tendrils.
Huh?
Tendrils.
Tendrils. It also had a piece of ribbon in green and one in a lighter green. So I had, when I looked at it, a choice of any of these items to use for my hat. The remaking of this hat. We're going to use this ribbon with the shamrocks. Okay, we're going to glue on this ribbon. We're going to glue it to the hat. Not quite enough, so we're going to put the shamrock. Once again, these were bought at Dollar Tree. Remember the broom that we're going to attach all these things to? I took those tendrils off of the headband, and I've already attached them, but I just want to let you see how you can attach them yourself. What I did was take a twist tie, a gold one, twisted it twice, and then I just stuck it through the bow and wrapped it around and attached it so that it can hang down like this. All right. Attach the face. And that's about the middle hat, should be just about. want to be able to see his face. Okay. Alright. We're going to attach it to the broom. And this is the finished product.